Good morning, children. Next topic is simple microscope. It is an optical device. It is used to see the small objects. You can take it as a magnifying glass, which you use in the lab also. It is based upon the principle. What is the principle? When an object is kept between the optical center and the focus of the convex lens, it forms a virtual erect and magnified image. And the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. You know what is the least distance of distinct vision? For a normal eye, for a healthy eye, a minimum distance that can be seen by an eye is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to make a diagram for a simple microscope. Now take a convex lens. This is a principal axis, optical center, focus. Take an object AB. Any ray parallel to the principal axis will pass from the focus. Any ray passing from the center of curvature will go undeviated, produce them backwards. It forms B dash A dash, a virtual and erect image. This is the object and this is an image. Now see this. This is an object. I have marked it AB. This is an image. I have marked it A dash B dash. Now first, suppose the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. Where the image is formed at V is equal to D. What is D? 25 centimeter. Case 1. Now you are supposed to find out the magnifying power. Before doing this, we should know what is the magnifying power. Magnifying power is defined as the ratio of angle subtended at eye by the image. Now see, this is, you have placed your eye here. Okay, you are looking the image from this way. You have placed your eye here. Okay, now see, what is the angle is being subtended at your eye by an image. See this. This is an image making an angle of this. This I have marked beta. According to the definition of magnifying power, angle subtended by image to the eye, at the eye to the angle subtended by the object at the eye when the both are at the same distance, that is the least distance of distinct vision. Now image is at the least distance of distinct vision, but object is not at the least distance of distinct vision. We will construct the same object here. That means at least distance of distinct vision. So AB, I have constructed PA dash, the same size of object at a distance of V is equal to D. Now they both are at the object and image. They both are at the least distance of distinct vision. What is the angle subtended at eye? By image it is beta and by object it is alpha. So what is the magnifying power? It is defined as a ratio of angle subtended by image to the angle subtended by object. That means beta upon alpha. Now angles are very small. You can take it as beta is equal to tan beta and alpha is equal to tan alpha. Now calculate from this triangle. What is tan beta? This is BA dash upon CA dash. And what is tan alpha? PA dash perpendicular upon base CA dash. Now as PA dash I have constructed, this is equal to BA. So PA dash you can write it as BA. CA dash will be cancelled out. So what is left? BA dash by B dash A dash upon BA is equal to. Now what is B dash A dash? This is the size of image. You have taken it as H dash. And what is BA? This is object, you have taken it as H. So what you have got at the end, that is H dash upon H, that is size of image to the size of object. You know the formula? You must have done. The size of image to the size of object is equal to V upon U. But here see the diagram. V is equal to minus D and U is equal to minus U. Put it here. So magnifying power will be equals to V is minus D and this is U is minus U. This will be minus sign will be cancelled. So what is left? D upon U. We know the lens formula, minus 1 upon U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 F by F. Put the sign conventions, U is minus U, V is minus D. Put the values, you got it. Multiply both the sides by D. So you calculate D by U from here. Take it with another side, 1 plus D by F. So from equation star we know that magnifying power is D upon U. Therefore you can put D by U is equal to 1 plus D by F. That means for a higher magnifying power the focal length of the lens should be small. They are reciprocal to each other. Now case 2. When the image is formed at infinity, nothing else you have to do. You simply have to put v is equal to infinity. Put it here. V is infinity in the lens formula. U is minus u. Put it here. You got 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Multiply both the sides by d. D by u is equal to d by f. You know the formula of magnifying power. That is m is d by u. Now here d by u is equal to d by f. It is used by, where you use a simple microscope, it is used by the jewelers, it is used by the watchmakers, it is used in the laboratories also. Thank you.